All right, what am I up to today? This is what I'm up to today. I've been into the shop. I've done a little bit of work there. I've come back to the house to pick up the keys to the trailer that I haven't been to since, let's say, just a little over a month. Why am I going in there? Well, a couple of things. I need to check to see if it's okay and not sunk in my friend's backyard, because it has been raining a lot here lately. And also I want to pick up my drone. I'm missing my drone. It's time to get it out again and see how it's doing. So yeah, let's head to the trailer to get the drone. We've arrived! Oh, the trailer looks so small. I don't know why. I haven't seen him in a while. Let's go check it out. I'm so excited. Let me turn you around. I'm excited. So just to let you guys know, I have done a previous episode before my whole vlog on the trailers. So if you want to see more or a little more of this, then please do go check it out. But yeah. All right, so the reason why I came here was to pick up that drone. So I'm pretty sure it is up here. So let's go check out upstairs. Pretty sure it's in one of these. And I think this is it right here. Yep. Here we go. Mr. Droney. Woo. I want to show you what I use when I'm wheeling, and talk a little bit about that. And so let's get back to the house right now. So here we have this Skydio drone. This is the drone I use when I'm wheeling. What is so fantastic about this is that it has 3 modes. So it is leading right now. It can follow me. It can also orbit, which you're gonna see in some of the videos, and I'm just away to show you right now. One of my favorite features about this drone is that it pulls all the sound from your phone. So I always have my phone in the Jeep with me, and it pulls all the engine sounds, the revving sounds, anything that happens within the Jeep beside my phone, it'll pick up that sound and add it to the video. The follow mode. See how it's keeping up? And it is super windy today. Hey! Okay, now I'm gonna set it to lead. So it's gonna stay right in front of me the entire time. You're gonna see this in the videos that I show you of me wheeling as well. This thing is epic. I forgot how much fun this is. This is so cool. It's a fun toy, not only for adults, but for kids as well. Let's raise you up a little bit. There we go. Bring you back down. It's a little windy up there for you today. There we go. We're getting you down slowly. It is super windy today, and it's pretty incredible just how stable this thing is. I'm never too worried about this one. It really does stabilize itself. Now I would do an orbit, but it really is a little too windy for that today. So again, it's just leading, it's fighting that wind. The battery lasts a pretty long time. It's around 12, 13 minutes. That's pretty fantastic. We're gonna move over here. All right, let's bring you back over here. And now I'm gonna land you. So you guys have seen the Skydio in action. Now it's time to get close and personal with it. Now, I believe it's unavailable now to purchase, but when it was on the market, it was retailed for $2,500. Now that seems pretty steep, but when you think about the technology that's gone into this drone, it really isn't that much. And it delivers every single time. You really can't complain, because at the end of the day, you end up getting some epic professional footage, which is so cool. Another cool thing is this whole drone is controlled solely by an app on your phone, which makes it very, very easy to use. So there's no SD card or microchip in this drone, but you do have a whopping 64 megabytes to save your videos onto, which, believe me, is plenty. So let's have a look at it up close. Here it is right here. Now, it seems to be pretty big, but it's actually pretty lightweight and very easy to use. There are 13 cameras. You got 2 on each corner, 2 on the front, right there as well. So there are significant cameras here and sensors. This is the whole reason why it never bashes into anything. It senses that straight away. And then, of course, you have the gimbal, which is 4K. Now, unfortunately, you can't take photos with this, but you can always just take a screenshot and it's going to be very, very high quality. Very, very easy to use. This is the battery pack. Everything is so dusty because I use it in the middle of the desert, but you press the top of there, that'll show you the battery life. So it comes with 2 of these. I obviously bought more, and you just slide it in. You press this button right here, and when these lights come on, you know it's on. Pretty simple to use. When you launch, you just hold it right here. It's pretty lightweight if I can do this, and you launch it from your phone, and you just let go. It'll take off. Now for landing, you guys saw before, it can land by itself on the ground, or you can have it hover. You just grab right here, obviously not where the blades are, and the blades will completely stop. So I have to say, out of 10, definitely a 12. I love this thing so much just because it's so easy to use. So that is all I have to say about this drone, except I really can't wait to get the next one. I don't know when that's going to be, but hopefully soon. Until then, I'm going to keep using this. So if you guys have enjoyed this episode, then please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell to know when my next video is coming out. Okay, I will see you guys tomorrow morning.